Welcome to Hard Biblical Questions, exploring Scripture's tough topics. In this video, we tackle one of the most puzzling questions. Why were some books left out of the Bible? The Bible, a revered collection of texts, has shaped lives and guided faith for centuries. Yet the question lingers, why were certain writings excluded? To understand this, we need to journey back to the early days of Christianity. The formation of the Bible as we know it was not an overnight occurrence. Plus, it was written by some 40 different writers over about 1,500 years. Early church fathers faced the monumental task of discerning which books were divinely inspired. They sought writings that were consistent with the teachings of Jesus and the apostles. Canonical criteria were later established, focusing on apostolic origin, universal acceptance, and doctrinal consistency. For instance, the Gospel of Thomas was left out due to its divergent theological views. Apocryphal texts, like the Book of Enoch, though popular in certain communities, didn't align with the core message of Christ. Many of these texts, while insightful, failed to meet the established canon criteria. Let's refer to 2 Timothy 3:16, which assures us that all Scripture is God-breathed and is useful for teaching. This underscores the belief within Christianity that the books included in the Bible serve a specific purpose. The process of canonization wasn't arbitrary. Rather, it was a sincere effort guided by prayer and spiritual discernment. The Bible we hold today is a result of careful consideration and a deep commitment to preserving the purity of the teachings of Jesus. Yet, this doesn't mean the excluded books lack value. They simply serve a different purpose. If you feel a sense of loss or confusion, remember Philippians 4, verse 6-7, which encourages us to bring our concerns to God in prayer, assuring us of His peace. By understanding the reasons behind these exclusions, we can appreciate the Bible's role as a foundational text while recognizing the rich tapestry of Christian literature. Thank you for joining us in this exploration. Please share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful discussions on faith and spirituality. Thank you for watching Hard Biblical Questions. Please like, share, and subscribe.